are back, and we're talking about something extra fun. I've been dying to hear this. And of course, Erin and I are gracious and giving people, if you ever need
volunteer.
any
So
models
sweet.
or volunteers. Talk to us a little bit about what's going on here at Pinnacle Plastic Surgery.
Yes, we are very excited to offer the UltraShape Power. The UltraShape Power is for body contouring and fat destruction. So it is non-surgical, it's FDA approved.
Say that again.
It's FDA approved
Very
for
important.
permanent fat destruction. So there's no downtime with it. You come in and you have your treatments and your fat cells are destroyed and removed from your body.
Talk to us a little bit about how that actually works.
Yeah, so what it is it uses pulsed, focused ultrasound, and there's a transducer that's used over the area that you want treated.
Okay.
And so the transducer, there's no pain, there's no heat, it's mechanical, so it's going to shake the little fat cell, you're not going to feel it. The fat cell's destroyed, and then the fat's processed naturally through your body.
And it never comes back.
It never comes back.
Wow.
Talk to us about, what can we expect when we walk in? How long are the procedures? How many procedures? Do I need a consultation? Does Dr. Klinke help guide us as to what areas of our body would best respond to that?
Yeah, so what you would do first is come in for a complimentary consultation. And so you come in, you talk about your needs and what your area is that's bothering you. So
Area.
really, area or areas, it doesn't matter. So
Just saying.
it's really for the stubborn fat. So the way we try to describe it is that if you can pinch an inch of soft fat, then we can treat it. So it can be your abdominal area,
Right.
it can be your inner or outer thighs, your flanks, your upper arms.
Is that a flank?
So is the
Your
best
flanks, your muffin top,
Oh,
kind of
yeah.
the sides,
Yeah.
the
Yeah.
bra area.
Yeah.
For men, the chest area can be treated. So it's for men and women. Absolutely. And so you'll come into your consultation, and then it's 3 treatments that are spaced 2 weeks apart.
Okay.
So in 4 weeks, you're completely treated. It's a relaxing, comfortable experience. Because it's mechanical, there's no heat and there's no cooling. The wonderful thing about that is it's super comfortable, so you can relax, take a nap while you're treated, and there's no risk of damage to the surrounding tissues, the nerves. It's perfectly safe. There's no downtime. You can put your
Exactly.
swimsuit on and head to the beach after. No one knows you had it done.
Is the best candidate for this someone who is actually, that works out, that is in pretty good health, and maybe just has some areas that are not responding to exercise?
That's
I
a
love
great
that question.
I know. It's
Well, I know
great.
you work out every day,
know.
so and we're thinking about
In
it.
case, God forbid, we volunteer.
Right, and that's the perfect candidate right there.
Yeah.
It's not for extreme weight loss. So it's
Right.
for those troublesome, stubborn fat areas that diet and exercise are not reaching. So it's not being affected. So this is your solution, and we've seen fantastic results.
Well, what's interesting about it is I actually did research on what you have, and the research and the evidence behind it, pretty amazing. I mean, the fact that it's FDA approved is really a stamp of approval, and I had to laugh because I was like, cynical, whoa.
Well, it
it's
does.
pretty amazing.
It sounds like that too good to be true, but it works. Dr. Klinke researched this thoroughly,
Exactly.
and it's safe. It's safe with no downtime. A lot of things you have, some pain that's residual for months. You have to wait a long time for your treatments. This literally is just relaxing and painless, and it really, really works.
And how are the results comparing to something like cool sculpting, for instance, that we've heard about, over the past couple of years?
Yeah, well, the UltraShape Power is actually the most powerful. So
Yes.
it's 32% fat reduction. So in your layer of fat that you have, it's going to reduce it by 32% compared to cool sculpting or other things that are out there in the low 20%. So that's
It's a huge improvement.
for
Exactly.
no pain, no complications. It's fantastic.
I always say, what's the downside? There isn't any.
No.
First of all, you have a consult. There isn't.
There's
Right.
nothing.
What if it's 30%? Well, okay, I can live with that.
Right.
No, I mean seriously, and I think when you really research it, and I know Dr. Klinke encouraged everyone to research it too, because it really is a phenomenal opportunity to just sort of get
Put
rid
your
of
best
the
self out there.
exactly, especially with the summer here.
It's here.
Ready for swimsuit season. You can still be ready for your trip or your wedding or the event you're going to. You can just slim down those areas that are bothering you and feel your best ever. So it's great.
Well, I'll tell you what, there's nothing better. Stay with us. We'll be back.